Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel subscription in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do now is to simply go to your account center. To do so, either you can simply go to the Filmora website and from here you will need in your web browser, you will need just to type Filmora and basically then you will need just to click on it. Then you will be needing to log in into your account. So I'm already logged in. Now we want to go to the account center. By going to the account center, we will find this overview, planning products, account, my order, etc. Here in the plan products, you will find your product and here you will find your subscription. So basically, you will go to manage subscription, and here you will find the list of your active subscriptions. So if you had like many products and each one had the subscription, you will find them all here because this one is the Wondershare account center and not like specifically for Filmora. So if you had like a Filmora subscription, you would find it here. Now you will need just to click on the subscription you want to cancel. You will need just to click on it, and by clicking on it, you will be able to find the cancel button. By clicking on cancel button, it will start canceling or it will cancel the auto renewal, and then you will need just to follow up the given instructions like confirming or choosing the reason for your closing or for canceling, etc. And at the end, you will have your uh, payment or your subscription that has been cancelled successfully. Another way to do it is by simply going to Filmora and then you will click on your uh, profile icon and then it will take you to your profile and then you can simply go to view my account and then it will take you to the same page. So from here you can go directly to manage subscription. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.